It's Thursday. The dive turned ugly when one diver darts over and rips off Renee Umberger's breathing supply 50 feet underwater. The scene was captured on 2 cameras.
This man needs to be arrested. I think this man needs to be arrested immediately for attempted murder.
The 53-year-old Umberger was eventually able to get her regulator back in and breathe again. That's when she captured the suspect make another threatening gesture.
I honestly thought that he was coming back for a second attack.
Umberger and the others were documenting damage to coral reefs when they came across the pair of divers who clearly didn't want their picture taken. She credits her experience and more than 10,000 dives with saving her life.
An inexperienced diver would likely panic, and either panic from the stress of the situation and shoot for the surface. They may panic because their air source is missing and maybe they can't find it. Those incidents often lead to death.
She believes she knows who the suspect is and wants to press charges. The State Division of Conservation and Resources Enforcement says it is investigating and will turn its information over to the county prosecutor's office.
And the greater issue is that Hawaii's reefs are being emptied by these commercial operations. Hawaii's reefs are suffering incredibly from this unlimited collection.
And the video shows how aggressive people